It is this weekend I'm very sure say the Richard Quaye, the 40th birthday celebration of course for Independence Square. No? That mega and the most talked about birthday to have happened in the history of Africa, as I always put it. We create in an idea. Now, Ghana Revenue Authority for Ede Bakobi Abeshim, I see I'm no say there. Richard Yamakwe, billionaire, I no. The bank account in Nana, ye freezy account. In this video, remember when they course so then the crowd will freezy the various bank account. Na Ede Krana, attach into Jebrana element now to the end of this particular video. So, you'll be enlightened about the whole issue of the bank account being frozen. I Penyah block media. Let's any day over like a video and over subscribe button. So now back click on the question and latest updates. Now better why be mama e comment. Let's try over so. No share video number for so any be ashare. No that try why be area mama e comment section. It's Ghana Richard Yamakwe only new person. What I say? Only new way back at 2022 ni nyina na ye new no but now so nya o had them known nationwide by the name of that Okula blog. It's back at 2022, you said there was even a party here, not only or was here with Hajja for Rem and old spray Dallas, Egu Omuso, Emma Ifigua, it was alleged said Richard Yamakwe can honor a cheap Hajja for real, but another, a old story. In the 2024, they were tap 2025 and were tapping into the news again with the birthday celebration ever cause our Independence Square. I will say because of the birthday, we were top private jets. And as I told Bugatti Sharon. Ede gift to one for the 40 years achievement at age 40, but this biggest achievement was man can say all celebrity on one. The birthday, in fact, it was a mega birthday celebration.
For the greatness he has brought to them. Ladies and gentlemen, they say words alone will not be enough to appreciate. Yes, I want to see happy birthday.
at Ghana Independence Square. As a over location now, decoration over must you catch us a higher Independence Square. You will never believe it. Over say be a big hotel, be a hotel, no one many apartments, it will move many rooms for programs and other things. You can't say Ghana Independence Square, you will never believe it. Until maybe you are taking there, you will never believe it. The birthday, it was nice, and the birthday has also become one of the talked about birthday since the word what was created. And there are a whole lot of argument on it concerning Satola Yan for that, and I see my invitation for that particular program. For like say, okay, also there was a time where your video edited despite a term. And a birthday is not despite everybody because East Legon executives, they would all come. It I remember say because of that, maybe a man for a claim say Charles Niama Mensa I French at all no. On one year, Richard Yamakui and inviting us because people did not tell me the old days can for Ghana can for them and who ya say Sikania Bibi our bass and some huge amount of money. In fact, birthday night it was nice. After that, and there's a whole lot of argument and issue APP every Richard Yamakui. Ni birthday celebration, anyone on one can personal life, and in the Juma. Richard Yamakui is CEO of Quick Credit. I now a friend Bills, Limited. Bills Limited. Our monomoye loan and a money lending agency. Later, no betua. And you know, or many other companies are Gold Coast Food, Alcilla Farms, PGL, Olis, Coley, Waterfall Engineering Limited, Tygon, Agatex, Pinkberry, Chicken Man, just many other companies. And yet, Bills or many other companies. But I say, even the story behind the success crown. Or so interesting. One, or say, or was 5,000 plates, another big billionaire. Two, or say at the age of 22 years, no what me as a buska, I would to quite echo UK. Meanwhile, according to Armah Casasono, in his interview with Bolare, Ochire Muse, now who today will fear on your proper many thousand. Or no, my money on your one can the down about Kumudano, Queen 80. That's what I was say at age 22 no say we ska call US there. E more of them, but later and was said about Kubashi we say or starting a business or turning TV and a see mu fee and not turn or starting a business. Let's a Richard never queen a story and Gasana or no air and you're clear. But after the birthday, I was here news which is trending around Richard Yamakui anybody celebration and say Ghana Revenue Authority for freeze ne bank accounts nyinaa a wɔn nyinaa asɛm ne sɛ man yi Richard Yamakui upon the sika ɔwɔ nyinaa ne birthday kyinkyɛn ɔyɛ yie amount of money I was spending the tour ne Bugatti Chiron and the private jet amount of money I was spending on these celebrities I will invite you to the birthday party any other dignitaries or don't buy the birthday party even the decoration alone will cost more than $1 million the location just say bibia a go for the birthday no say when you know on tax buying despite his numerous companies on tax. And this news basically really kakra. It's me ready from Modern Ghana website. The bank accounts of Richard Quaye, founder of Bills Microcredit and owner of several other companies already, but they can the companies will be actually have allegedly been frozen. Sources close to the matter have told the High Street Journal the freeze is reportedly linked to discrepancies in his tax filings. As I say, there's a tax on your tax. Upon company organ hanging name, Nisiko Betcher Montane so, and when you say, oh, union to your tax. The tax no on your tax. According to the sources, Armah Quaye, who is reported to own 29 different companies, as in companies only, Malcolm 29, Skankasa, has had issues with taxes filed that do not align with the amount he's expected to pay. Tax on one file said, okay, this tax I'm a tax I'm a Tiano. You're checking the companies 29 and there's a recording your master. Sky what Tiano there be. A nuru, a man who baby, a man who baby. The freezing of his accounts comes just days after a lavish birthday celebration, which has gained widespread attention on social media. Some reports estimate the cost of the party as a staggering amount of $2 million. Let's say the true margin about say, "Ni birthday no yeah no." amanfoɔ started the pen ɛtoto hɔ mu kyerɛ mu sɛ ne birthday koraa no at least one more ka wɔ birthday koraa no ɔbɛspend at least $2 million. That's what about Ghana's can mu a 32 million Ghana, that is 300 plus billion. What I say, Obetman spend close to this huge amount on the birthday celebration at a course. Before the extravagant event, which attracted around 1,400 guests, Armah Quaye disclosed in an interview that he had recently acquired a custom branded private jet and a Bugatti. You know, Nina Jimbi, the private jet in the Bugatti, a play role. This revelation raised concerns about the source of his wealth and sparked discussion on social media and traditional media. What I say, ni sika na wona ho yade nyina no, ni private to ni Bugatti chiro nyina no. Expect conversation on the internet. I'm people just in am kra no. What are his source of wealth? You know so our Bills Limited Company. What they are and sika wo show no there. I know they know. Chairman, I know the tina man for kwala just say they be o ring bi. Ring and tear pink kese bi. Even for the past 5 years, the picture between beer and to date, ni beer that recognition. It's one for ABR or belonging to this secret society. In the wake of this development, Bill's microcredit has publicly distanced itself from Armah Quaye's personal life class, emphasizing the company's separation from its private financing affairs. The company stated, "We categorically affirm that Bill's Microcredit Limited has not funded, sponsored, or facilitated any of its personal events or acquisitions." The birthday celebration, of course, obi anum say our company that is Bill's Microcredit Limited, any dia. Etebia, number for them saying the birthday would have been sponsored or funded by his company, but companies issue statement said there be birthday which you know any day. Yeah, nim kwa baby go konye ska free. Ya hunim enye ne sponsor aye wa anye thousand for obi aho. What I say? It said only source of revenue no. You know, it is something which has become so mystery. As an essay, Ghana Revenue Authority for now no more the omonsa ato ne bank accounts nyina so omu chire on tax se sika we pa birthday no ultimate wa front sika we let's a tax untua da na say we say udi abro udi o mine abro e omu do monsa ato ne japade nyina so ne sika eguru bank account no omu do monsa ato ne nyina so investigation until say obetua ne taxes bia omu de ebema no to the Ghana Revenue Authority. It will be to adwene ama me ewo commendation Richard Quaye ne bank account freeze. What is your take on this? No na japade some people just say the sika wonya ne de ano ordinary near that no. Do you also reason the same? And I say perfect explanation to give around the success. Adwene ama me ewo commendation. I Penyah blog media.